friends, good morning to all. I hope all are well. Today I am going to tell some important information which is the latest requirement in Dubai. If you are looking for job in Dubai, so listen it very carefully. This is latest openings and be prepared to apply for this job and with your proper documents. So as you see here, urgently required for a leading group of company in UAE or Dubai. So you can see the post here, senior HVAC technician. So this is specially AC technicians jobs. If you are AC technicians and you are looking for job in Gulf country, then it's a better chance to apply and get the first job. So as you see here, senior HVAC technician, there is 6 position only and salary is 2000 to 2500 dirham. You may know one Dubai dirham equal to 18 rupees Indian rupees, so you can calculate according to this salaries. And second is HVAC technician, also 6 post, basic 1500 with 900 and overtime 600. So apart from that, you can get more than 2500 salary. So friends, I just want to share you the qualifications for senior HVAC technicians. You should have master diploma in mechanical engineer with minimum 5 to 10 years experience in HVAC services, and candidate must have experience in building management systems. Candidate with GCC experience would be added advantage. So if you have these proper qualifications with experience, then I will tell the mail address and contact numbers. You can directly contact to them and you can apply for the job and you can get the jobs. So second is HVAC technicians. Candidates must have hold ITI with minimum 2 to 5 years experience in handling HVAC maintenance projects. So it's basically I am telling you a job HVAC AC technicians. So number 3 is assistant technician. Its basic salary is 1100 dirham and basic also 800 and overtime 300. So friends, this is including fooding allowance with accommodation and transportation provided by company. The qualification is candidates must have hold ITI with minimum 2 years experience in handling HVAC maintenance projects. The last one is helper. It's a complete 1000 dirham salary, basic 800 and 200 with accommodation and transportation. So friends, this qualification is candidates must have 10th or HS. So here you can see according to qualifications you can apply for job, and if you have already done ITI or HVAC technician jobs, so you can find this job in this way. So next I just want to tell you, this is office selection, mail biodata with experience, education certificate, trade test, passport photo for selection. This is mail ID. You can call directly or you can send the mail. Important note is required complete set of documents like your CV, your certificates, your experience, everything. Then 9 hours duty, 1 hour break, 6 days working per week, deployment strictly within 8 days upon receipt of visa. That means after you apply, if you will selection by the employer, you will get the visa within 8 days. So as you know, the Gulf visa processing is taking very short time, no need to long time to wait. So after only GCC medical will be accepted, passport should be valid for 12 months. Medical test, they will guide you how to and where you have to do the medical test. After that you have to submit the photographs, 20 numbers, 20 copies photographs with white background color. Okay, so this is all you need to submit the office, and here also the mail ID and here also contact number. This is very genuine information if you are looking for job in Dubai in the profession of AC technicians. So this video will be helpful to you. My suggestion is first you have to collect the documents. After that you have to contact by this number, or you can send the mail of all your documents, certificates, photo and passport scan copy, everything you have to send through this email ID. After that you can go to direct to office by contact numbers. So friends, if you are looking